Welcome to LOPO's channel. Here is Daisy again. It's glad to see you again in today's video. Today, I will talk about how to design for the floor mat. This floor mat is super soft, good water resistant, and dust proof. Also, it has good printing effect in different colors. The template of the floor mat is quite normal, but we still want to share some tips for you on design. First, if you want to design in full print, we suggest that you can leave some space for the top and the bottom because the template is larger than its actual size, around 2 to 3 millimeters. Second, if you only have small heat press machine, which means you need to divide your design into many pieces, we do not suggest you to do a full color-based design or line design because it would be more difficult for printing. Instead, if you do a design without any connection between different pieces, you will print it much easier. Third, the floor mat has two kinds of materials. The printing color of them has slightly different, so we suggest you to print it once or twice before final decision to make sure the color is what you want. Okay, that's all for today's video. Hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, or contents, please feel free to contact ourselves or leave your message at below or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us and make life memorable!